Welcome to Trading for Absolute Beginners 2026. This is your definitive guide to starting your trading journey, even if all you have is a single $100 bill. We know the financial markets can seem overwhelming, especially when you're starting small. But in this comprehensive guide, we'll break down everything you need to know to start trading safely and smartly. Why start now in 2026? Technology has made trading more accessible than ever, with fractional shares and low-cost platforms eliminating the barriers that once required thousands of dollars to enter. Before we proceed, a crucial disclaimer. Trading involves significant risk. This content is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. You could lose all your money, so prioritize risk management. The goal of starting with just $100 isn't to get rich overnight. It's to learn discipline, risk management, and market mechanics without risking significant capital. It's about making small beginnings count. Let's begin with the basics. Understanding the fundamentals is key before you ever place your first trade. Trading focuses on short-term price movements to profit, often within days or weeks. Investing, however, is long-term, focused on buying and holding assets for years to build wealth. You'll encounter terms like assets, markets, bids, and asks. Assets are what you trade, markets are where you trade them, and bids and asks represent the current buying and selling prices. Setting up a safe brokerage account is essential. Look for platforms that offer low or zero commission fees, and, crucially for our $100 challenge, allow fractional share purchases. Starting with small capital requires a specific strategy to maximize your limited funds and manage risk effectively. Focus on percentage gains, not dollar values. A $10 profit on a $100 account is a 10% gain, which is phenomenal. This is how you measure success in the beginning. The golden rule of risk management. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your total capital on a single trade. With a $100 account, this means risking only $1 to $2 per trade to protect your capital. With $100, you need assets that are accessible. Focus on fractional shares or low-cost exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, that give you diversified exposure without requiring a large investment. Trading successfully requires continuous learning and the right tools. Let's cover the essential. Learn the basics of chart reading. Understand candlestick patterns to identify market sentiment, and use simple indicators like moving averages to spot trends. Start with paper trading or simulations to practice your strategies risk-free. Only transition to real money when you consistently succeed in your simulation environment. The market is always changing, so commit to continuous learning. Utilize recommended books, credible financial news sources, and educational sites to refine your skills. You've absorbed the foundational knowledge for your 2026 trading start. Now let's recap your roadmap to success. Your $100 roadmap prioritizes safety first, requires a disciplined strategy, and demands continuous learning. Treat every trade as a lesson. Remember, the mindset of a successful beginner trader is built on patience and discipline. Small gains add up over time. Start smart, stay safe, and happy trading.